So moving forward, last time we talked about how you can select from your table. Now I'm gonna talk how you can use distinct and unique. So first let me query this table. So as you can see here, I have two columns in this table, so I'm gonna select both of them. I'm gonna do order by the region name. So you're gonna run the select statement. So now as you can see here, I have all of these values, and then as you can see here, I have a duplication in my tables. So how can I remove this duplication from this table? So basically we're gonna use a distinct. When I use a distinct, select and then distinct and then my column name from this table and then order by one. The idea here to focus on the distinct is gonna remove remove the duplication. I'm gonna leave only oral. So here I have the result is the 5 lines, right? I'm gonna save it here, and then let me go ahead and run this statement. Now as you can see here, the result is 4 lines instead of 5. So basically it's removed the duplication in the Europe. So let me show you here. So I have 2, and then when I use distinct, what happened? It's removed the Europe. Same thing. Unique also same idea here, and then it will give you exact same result. So basically if I have duplication for some reason, just like what I just show you here, if I use unique gonna remove one of those and leave the others. So I'm gonna run this one again, and then as you can see here, now I have four lines only, and then Europe comes only one time in the table. Now watch for something here. If I run this one, let me go ahead and duplicate this. It's something I would like you to see here. So if I do select unique, my region name, and then if I followed comma with the region ID, then in this case your unique or distinct will not work, and I'm gonna show you why. So as you can see here, the duplication comes by again, and this happened because we are looking for a unique value in the entire line. In this case, think about it, you have Europe, and then you have a row ID equal to 1, and then you have Europe and then region ID equal to 5. In this case, this line not equal to this line, so unique or distinct in this case will not work because those two lines are totally different. So if you would like to limit or to remove a duplication, you need to make sure or you need to be specific to which column you're gonna from which column you're gonna select your data. So it's just one note I wanted to mention here. Also then now I'm gonna move to the pseudo columns. What is this, the pseudo columns here? The as you can see here, I don't have any first let me introduce you to the row number and then the row ID. Those are the two pseudo columns I'm gonna show you here. So let me first do select from my column, and then I'm gonna follow by the row number from my table. So let me go ahead and run it, and as you can see here, I have 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the row number. It's a reserved word by Oracle, and as you can see here, it's not like even a column here, so it's provided by Oracle. It's gonna help me to order my lines here. Also would like to mention here that the row number is gonna order those, it's gonna number all my lines before the order. So if I use order in my select statement here with the row number, the order here will not be in this sequence. It's gonna give the number, yes, but then it's gonna order by those. So you need to watch for this one when you use row number with order by. So if I run this one, So see what happened here with the row number. It's still unique. It's give a unique number for every single line. But what happened here, the order for this one is kind of, no, it's out of order. So it's basically ordered by this one, not by this one. So this is the row number. Another pseudo column would like to introduce here is the row ID. Row ID will represent the system assigned physical address for a given row. So this one, we talked about the row number. Number is just a number. It's assigned to every single line here, but the row ID will be the physical address for this line. So if I go ahead and run it, look how it looks like here. It is the row ID, which is the physical address. Now back to my my comment. When I started, I said this one is a row ID and row number. It is not a column exists here where you can see those here. It's just assigned by the Oracle behind the scenes, but we can query those, and then we can use this one to order. We can query this value and see where is it stored. So in my next video I'm gonna introduce you to the where statement, and it's basically the way we can limit the result that returned from a table.